Hey guys, today let's learn how to clear all of your liked videos on YouTube all at once. Alright, so all we need to go ahead and do in order for us to access the liked videos on our YouTube is to go on over on your YouTube application, and I want you to tap on your profile or your U tabs right here. Next, let's tap on this option called Google Account, and that should take you to your Google account right here. Now, I want you to go ahead and basically to access from your Google account is over here on your Data and Privacy tab. And I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see your history settings. And once you're already on your history settings, let's go ahead and tap on Web and App Activity. Now, once you're there, of course, wait for this to load. And I want you to scroll down until you see this option called Manage All Web and App Activity. Now, you will be redirected to this screen right here. So once you're already over here, just go ahead and tap on this three dots option and then tap on Other Activity. As you would see, you can actually see your other activities over here. And I want you to go on over this comments and comment likes and dislikes on YouTube. So this is basically one option. Of course, if you want to go ahead and access your liked videos, just tap on YouTube likes and dislikes. So just tap on that option right there. You should see all of the activity right here, as you would notice. And in order for us to basically remove this altogether, just go ahead and tap on this X button, and that's going to allow you to confirm if you would like to delete this activity. Just tap on delete, and that should basically delete all of your liked videos on YouTube. So that is all for this video, guys. That is a quick and easy way to clear all of your liked videos on YouTube all at once. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.